Hey guys, Steve here. In today's video, what I want to do is I want to give you an update from yesterday's video showing you that you can generate commissions and generate 100% autopilot traffic using this brand new traffic solution that I was introduced to the other day, which I'm pretty excited about because it's brand new and I love brand new opportunities, right? Especially when they offer something that everybody needs. Everyone needs traffic, everyone needs leads, but more importantly, everyone needs and wants 100% verified business seeker leads. Why do I say that? Let's count it down. Number one, they're verified. Why? Because you enter your email in order to purchase or to become a member on this platform. Verification, email number one. So now I'm verified. Number two, I am a business seeker, or I wouldn't even be watching the video, or I wouldn't be pursuing trying to become a member. Because why? What caught my attention is I can generate some income, right? I can generate leads all on the same platform. So that caught my interest. I'm a business opportunity seeker, right? And number three, I'm a real boy. Yeah, I'm a real boy. Yeah, I'm a real person. So that's three criteria. So what do I say about the title? It is 100% real, verified business seeker leads. And the autopilot portion is you plug in your link and the system will do the rest on promoting your opportunity to those people, right? So it's a win-win-win, right? So anyway, what I want to do in this video is I want to show you the proof of I generated commissions using this because I'm a business seeker. I want to show you proof of I did attain a lead, right? I'll show you that because I want leads or clicks, right? And three, well, you already know I'm a real person. So, three, I'll show you how you can try this platform out for $1 for 7 days, right? 7 días. So anyway, let's jump right in and take a look at it. Like I said, if I didn't, it's called Traffic Blaster Pro, right? It's a proven business model. Most important thing you need to be able to do if you want to make real money online is get leads and generate buyer leads, right? Or business seeker leads, right? Like I am. And I said you can get it for $1. I'll just go over quickly some of the bonuses. I'm trying to keep this video short and sweet. So here's some of the bonuses that you'll get. These are digital products, of course, and you'll get a done-for-you funnel. You'll get all these digital materials, right? To increase your knowledge. Knowledge is power. Why not? Guess what you can do with these things? You can get these digital products. You can create content around it. You can create emails from the material here. You can create videos from the material here. And you can, create posts from the different things that you glean from any of these digital products. I mean, it's a wealth of information, right? You should never run out of content when you have all of this free information, right? That comes with this bonus information, I should say. So it's over $2,800 worth of value, all in a little bitty price of $10, right? And it takes 30 minutes to set up. And I set mine up last night, and that's what I want to show you the results for. So anyway, like I said, it's $1, $1 to try it out. So I want to, what I want to do is I want to show you the proof now, right? I want to show you the proof. So just jump over to my Warrior Plus thing, and let's, this is my Warrior Plus. How do I show you that it's mine? My account. Well, I mean, it's mine because I'm in my account. Well, you're just gonna have to take my word for it. I ain't got no reason to lie to you. So let's jump over to the dashboard so we can see the totals real quick. So today I had 113 hops, right? 5 sales, earning me $21.98. I don't want you to be confused with this one on the 26th. I didn't start promoting this opportunity until like the 28th or something like that. This is a different recurring payment that I got for something else, right? If you didn't know, Warrior Plus, you can generate recurring commissions. I've had that for almost probably 6 months already. Whoever this is, they bought something and I just keep getting monthly payments, right? Here I have 12 subscribers that will be on recurring commissions, and I'll explain a little bit about that in a minute, right? So here's my today's total. Here was yesterday's total. In the last 7 days, I had $122. But don't count this $42.72. So let's zoom in a little bit more so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, and we'll go to transactions, right? So let's scroll over to the bottom of my transactions, and as you can see, here's my total sales and here's my total commissions. This one doesn't count. Like I said, this is IPC Traffic Accelerator, and I have someone who's on a recurring plan right here. So my first day of promoting this was on the 28th, right, of February, and here's the first day. I came out the list and I sent it to my email list, my personal email list, my get response. That's what GR list stands for, and I made $9. I made a commission of $4.65. Then I made a video, right, and I posted the video, and I made, in that day, same day, right, same day I made another 15 bucks right here, right? And then the next day on the 1st, because it's a leap year, I made $9 off of Facebook because I did a post, right? And I got someone upsold, right? They upgraded to a 6-month plan. So this guy came in at the monthly $9.90. This guy came in at the 6-month plan, and I got $16.54 commission. Then on the same day, someone else on Facebook got the 6-month plan to try it out, right? Then they started the dollar trials, and I got dollar trials here. What's nice about the dollar trials is that after 7 days, they're gonna shift to a $9.90 per month minimum, right? Which is gonna be a recurring. So that's sweet. That's what's sweet about that. So all of these $1 right now that I earned 42 cents on, guess what? They will be, what's this? No commission. I didn't get a commission on that because that was probably when they were transitioning. That's slick. I just now noticed that. See, dollar trial, get verified. So anyway, so looks like I got shorted a buck, but that's okay. So eventually that's going to switch over to the $9.90, and I'm going to get the $4.65 residual commissions. So that's where all of these come in, which is sweet if people choose to stay with it. And I'm sure they will, right? So then somebody else on Facebook, because I do Facebook posts, right? I made $10 here. Another person on YouTube, I made $10. Somebody on Facebook, I made another 42 cents, and somebody on YouTube today. It is 9:34 p.m. on March 2nd. So this was at 20. So that was like what is that? 8 o'clock, 8:30. At 8:30, someone else on YouTube opted in, right? And that's today. So that's the proof that I did make commissions. And now what I want to show you is so that's the proof. I want to show you the clicks. So let's jump over to the stats just for this opportunity real quick. And here we go, boom, we'll click on this opportunity. And as you can see, this right here, I got 5 clicks. It says T-Blaster. That's the tracking code that I put on the back of the Warrior Plus affiliate link. And that shows I got 5 clicks today, right? Using using the system, right? Using the 100% automatic traffic. So that is proof there. Now, I can show you, what other proof can I show you? Oh, I did get a lead. This is just my commissions here. I wanted to show you that. I already had that pulled up. But let me show you. I got a lead in from Lead Skimmer. Skimmer, right? Let's see here. Here's a lead that came in from Lead Skimmer on, oops, I better block this out, on 3/1, right? But if you look at this tag here, that says Traffic Blaster. So he came into my lead system from Traffic Blaster, which is sweet, right? Which shows that it's working, shows that I'm generating clicks off of here. I had some other ones too. I think my automatic pay, but I'm gonna show you a little bit more when I log in here real quick. And I want to show you, let me jump over. Oh, real quick, they did add something new to the back office of Traffic Blaster. Where there's an affiliate program now. If you get 15 sales, you can get a bump of 55% on all front end, right? So instead of 50%, you'll get 55%. And the more sales you get, right, the higher front end commissions that you will generate, which is sweet. That's like my favorite word. But anyway, so let me just show you the rotator here. I want to show you quickly how how this works. So here's the the rotator platform that you get with this opportunity. I'll move this over here and I'll show you. It's a free account, right? So I joined for free. I logged in here and I signed up for the free. So what does that say? You get 10 sites that you could rotate. So I stacked it, right? So then I came down here. You can upgrade if you want, but I like free. So as you can see, it's my account up here. This guy here, it's my account. And what I want to show you is, I want to show you my campaigns. Here's all my campaigns, right? So I have Savings Highway Global, List Lion, Lead Skimmer, List Infinity, Traffic Blaster, so I could promote the opportunity. You see, this is the tracking link, right? And that was the only one. I'm gonna have to get different tracking links to put in here so we can track it properly, but that's the only one I put a tracking link on. So that's how I knew I got a click, other than I did receive other opt-ins. Here are my hits that I received, right? As you can see, I received some hits, right? And some totals right here, as you can see there. You can also click here and see the stats, right? So I can see that it came from this. I got 4 hits and there were 4 unique. Let's go back one. Let's go to List Infinity because I did get a sign up from List Infinity. Also, let's go to stats. Got 5 clicks. Let's go to stats. Let's go here. And as you can see, 3 hits, 3 uniques. Okay, so go back. Now, there's also a way you can click here and see your source stats. You can see where they came from. Had 5 from Google searches. I don't know what this is. PaveYourSuccess.com, which is 1. Then I got 34 from this here. This is the company's rotator here that you are a part of. So I got 34 hits. Now you can see more if you upgrade, but here's my breakdown of all the clicks that I've received, right? From this particular source, wherever this source is, right? So my DTO, I got this, my Exodus Elite. You know, these are all the clicks. So it shows you that I am getting clicks, right? So that's sweet. And it also has its own affiliate program that, and I'll show you that too. It has an affiliate program that you can join and you can earn $10, you can earn commissions on. I haven't really looked in this, so I really don't know about that. So that's how that works. And did I show you? Oh, rotators. So this is the link I submitted to the Traffic Blasters Pro platform. And as you can see, here are all my links, and all 10 of these are in this one rotator. But what I did that was slick was I purchased that second link. And what I did was, I know I'm about to show you a little too much, but I have 2 links. One has a rotator. Yes, I use Traffic Authority. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And if you're interested, I can give you a free bonus if you reach out to me. But let's see, under Optimizer, I have a rotator here, and I want to show you what I did on this. That's not it, Traffic Blaster, this right here. So I want to hit details. And on this, you can see that I have a whole nother 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links in there. So in total, I have 15 links running in my Traffic Blaster Pro system, right? And as you can see, I've received 7 clicks on this. And I did receive a lead from that, and I should show you that. But I received a lead from this, as you can see, Great Britain and US, right? Let's go back. But I do receive clicks. These are like my other opportunities. My all-in-one business here. I received 2 clicks. And as you can see, that name here matches the one that was in the rotator link. So I am getting clicks and I am getting a few signups, as you can see. So everything is working. Everything is legit. I am generating commissions also. So I think that's all I really wanted to show you for now. But for now, like I was saying, I'm really enjoying this opportunity. I'm generating commissions. I've already paid myself back from my one-time, what was it? I paid $9.90. What was it? $9.90 plus an upgrade of $14 or something like that. So I paid $23.90 to be my initial buy into this opportunity to get traffic, right? That's for the month, right? And then next month, the rebuild will be $9.90. But if I can keep promoting it and generating what I'm making now, right? So let's go back to transactions. If I can keep promoting it and generating, and I generated 122.93 minus, what was it? this $42 don't count. So I generated $80 already, right? And I invested $23 and some change into it so far. So, which is awesome. This is awesome. You can't beat it. But anyway, like I said, I'll show you that page one more time. It is called Traffic Blaster Pro, not to be confused with anything else. And you can try it today for $1 for 7 days. And if you got any questions, I'll help you set up your system if needed. But anyway, that's all that I got. I just wanted to show you the update on the commissions that you can earn, a little bit of what I've done, and how you can make the system work for you. But anyway, maybe tomorrow I'll show you a little bit more, but I'm still getting into the system myself. And there's some other things that I want to do with this. I want to promote Traffic Blaster on Hercules. I want to promote it on some other things and do some other cool things with it, right? So anyway, as always, thanks for hanging out. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out.